So it's no surprise everyone wants to start a business. People quitting their job is at an all-time high, but majority of those people are starting a business with no plan. Just look at me and my partner, for example. We started our trucking company with no business plan. We never took the time before starting and establishing that company with starting a business plan. Yes, we wanted to own multiple trucks and make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month or even per year, but we never took the time to establish a business plan. Lots of entrepreneurs start their company with no direction in hopes of making a lot of money to improve their financial situation. But a business with no direction will eventually head towards disaster. In this video, I'll talk about how to create a business plan for your business right after you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. When mapping out your business plan, imagine you're going in front of the Shark Tank crew. You're pitching them your new business or your idea in hopes of them investing into your company or even buying your company. Imagine yourself in front of Mr. Wonderful. He's that one person that sticks out on the show. If you don't have your things in order, he's going to grill you apart. You're going to regret even starting that new business. So what I need you to do is print out a picture of Mr. Wonderful, put it on your desk when you're mapping out your business plan. If you don't have things in order, he's going to grill you apart just by looking at that picture. There are a lot of videos out there on a business plan, and many people have their own perception on what factors you need. There's no right or wrong way. Business plans have different purposes, but I'm here to share my personal opinion in hopes of helping you out on your business plan. There are 7 factors I believe that you need for a business plan. Number 1 is going to be your executive summary. What is the mission and vision of your company? Look at your short and your long-term goals. Let's use real estate, for example. Let's say you want to buy a fixer-upper property. You're going to start with that fixer-upper property, fix that property, and sell it for profit. Long term, you're going to build up enough capital to buy rental properties. You want to get those rental properties, build up enough passive income to eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. Or let's use trucking, for example. Let's say like me, you want to start with a box truck. You want to get in that box truck and run it as much as possible. Eventually replace yourself, put drivers into those box trucks. Eventually scale that up to a hot shot or even a semi. Short and long-term goals. Number 2 is going to be your business description. Give a short description of your business, what it does, who's your target audience, and provide the problem and the solution that you're bringing to the industry. Let's use Uber, for example. Not only were there not enough taxis nationwide, but also we could be drinking randomly on a Tuesday at 4 a.m. and not be able to find a taxi anywhere. So what we had to do is just jump in our car and just risk our lives and everyone else's lives. The solution is they allow people to produce income and also produce unlimited taxis. Not only can we just log into our phone and find an Uber to take us anywhere, but it allow people to make money as well. Number 3 is going to be your competition. Who are the most successful people in your business? What do they do best? And what is your unique value to set yourself apart? Let's use Turo versus Enterprise. Enterprise has 40,119 enterprises in the U.S., including in the airports. There are over 200 million people with vehicles. Therefore, there are more opportunities for Turo, and you do not have to be 25 to rent a car. We've all been 18 or 21, and we had to wait those 5 to 7 years just to rent a car. You do not have to wait those 5 to 7 years to rent a car with Turo. Yes, there are some fees associated with, but you don't have to wait that time. We all know time is the most important thing. It's something that we can't get back. So Turo not only made an opportunity for you not have to wait those 5 to 7 years, but they also gave over 200 million people an opportunity to make money just by using their vehicle. Number 4 is your marketing. Where's your market? How do you access them? And what will bring your customers to you? McDonald's main goal wasn't to sell the best burger. They came into the game for real estate. They found the best places to set up their business and their customers found them. Yes, they do a ton of marketing, but in my opinion, their best attribute is their locations. We can all agree that McDonald's does not have the best burgers, but anywhere we go in the world, we're gonna find a McDonald's. It's the convenience that they have. We're hungry and we don't want to go to Taco Bell or find any other restaurant. McDonald's is right there. It's quick and it's easy and it's honestly not that expensive. So McDonald's took over the game just by having the right location. Number 5 is your sales plan. What are your sales strategies? What tools will you use to achieve your goals? What are your potential roadblocks? How long will it take for you to overcome them? And how long will it take for you to be profitable? Let's look at Little Caesars, for example. There are countless pizza spots nationwide, but what is something that Little Caesars is known for? You got that right. Little Caesars is by far the cheapest pizza spot around. Anytime I'm low on funds or I'm just being cheap, I will always, I repeat, always go grab a hot and ready. It's only $5 and what, 30 cents? What they did is they identified their price point and they wanted to be the cheapest pizza. Now they're one of the biggest pizza spots nationwide. Number 6 is going to be your funding details. How much capital do we have and how much do we need? This is a huge part of a business plan. Just look at what Grant Cardone does, for example. He invests into real estate through his company called Cardone own capital. What he does is, it's a method called syndication. What he does is he goes out and finds a great deal. He then finds other people to pull all their money together to invest into that real estate deal. He uses his expertise to find a great deal so that once people pull their money together, everyone makes profit. It's called using other people's money. If he wasn't so knowledgeable in real estate, no one would pull their money together to invest into his real estate deals. Number 7 is going to be your financial data. How and when will we first generate profit, and how will we maintain profit afterwards? This is all about your cost and your profit. It's very important to know how much it costs you to drive that first sale and how much profit you're going to get after driving that first sale. Overall, everyone's business plan will differ based on personnel and what goals you have set for you and your company. I wish you guys nothing but the best of luck when starting your company. I'm sharing this video out of personal experience. I always rush into things focusing solely on the money, and which has got me reevaluating things and always starting over from square one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a video, and as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much. All right, you guys, you see this right here? That's a timer. It's at 23 hours, 57 minutes, and 30 seconds. What that's doing right now, it's winding down. As much money as I made in my lifetime, there's one thing that I always wish that I can get back, and that's my time. I'm 25 years old right now. I'm not sure how old you guys are, but time is wasting right now. So I need you guys to apply pressure. I need you guys to chase your goals, chase your dreams, chase your ambitions. Do everything that you always wanted to do right now. Time is wasting. It's something that we can never get back. So do it this second, this minute, this hour, this day, whenever it is. I need you guys to do it right now because time is wasting. Go out there and make it happen. I love you guys. All right, guys, let me show you something. Let me show you something real quick. You see this right here? I'm gonna put a screenshot on the camera. You see that? It says a purchase of $2,000. This $2,000 I invested for me and my fiance. That $2,000, we could have used that for anything. But what we did is we used that $2,000 to invest into a mentorship. That mentorship I know will pay us for years to come. We invested into our future for our son to be. So what I need you guys to do is stop being scared to invest in mentorships. A mentor is the best thing that you guys can have. What a mentor does is it allows you to avoid the same mistakes that they made. So don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. One thing that you can always do is bet on yourself. There's nobody else that you can hold accountable like you can hold yourself accountable. So go out there and invest into yourself and make things happen right now.